In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use Stremio on iPhone. So let's get started. Now, obviously, first of all, you're gonna go to your app store and you're gonna go and search up Stremio, okay? Now, once you reach on this page, you're gonna see this app Stremio Lite, okay? It's basically the same thing as Stremio. So just go ahead and download it, okay? Now, once you download it, you're going to see a page like this saying you to sign up. So you can just go ahead and click on sign up with email. So in my case, if I go ahead and click on open, I already signed up. And as you can see, I am on this page right here. Now here, if I go to perhaps, let's say, Stranger Things, and if I try to see an episode, let's say that one, as you can see, I can't watch it. Well, to watch it, you first of all need to download an add-on. Now, to download this, you have to go to your browser. So let's say Safari. Okay. Now here, you'll have to search up Torrentio Stremio download. Okay. Just go ahead and type that in. Then you're going to click on the first link. And then you're going to see something like this. From here, you can go ahead and mess up with these options, your priority foreign language, exclude some resolutions. For example, you might not want to watch 4K and keep it up to 180p and all that stuff. Yeah, your max size limit and etc. Just click on then install. And then it's going to say, it's going to open the Stremio app. Just click on open. And then there you go. Now it's saying you to install. Just click on install. It's done now. Yeah, now I can just click on back. Now here, if I now let's say I open Stranger Things once again, I go click on an episode, you guys can see that I have all the watching options. Okay, so obviously I don't want to watch 4K because that takes too much space, so I'm going to scroll down. Let's say 180p, somewhere about here 1 GB. That's good enough for me. And this one right here, Torrentio 180p in English, that's perfect for me. I can just click on that and I can watch the whole episode in English. So that's how easy it is to use Stremio on your iPhone. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.